Ultra Instinct. Unpredictable to understand. An unknown emotion. A special ability that the highest gods can obtain. Those gods are called angels. And this young being has taken that power to new heights. Remember Primal Ultra Instinct? The first time we saw that was after this guy fought against the top 5 strongest and won. So far, he's beaten 3 of them. Just 2 more to go, and he's ready to be known as the strongest. For what we saw, his transformation was not finished. After the battle against Yoshido, Takira noticed that he was just fooling around and had to tag in since Yoshido was doing nothing. And just like that, Yoshido was eliminated. Well, not exactly eliminated, just tagging in for the time being. After the fight against Takira, something inside of Goku's consciousness had convinced him to transcend and evolve. Transcend into something bigger. Okay, here's the halo on his back. Here's the halo around his neck. After the fight against Takira, Goku managed to obtain a new transformation. The Primal Ultra Instinct form was just the start. But this is where he took his power to a new limit. A new level. A form that he calls Angel Goku. Angel Goku. This was the transformation that he managed to evolve and transcend and take down Takira. Well, right before he used one of his lifelines to tag in Lord Beerus. He was going to select the Grand Minister, but no other being higher than Takira can enter. Which was kind of a weird start. I don't know why he selected Lord Beerus to tag in for him. I would have gone with something like, I would have gone with letting Budo tag in while Goku cooled down. Budo has had more experience with Takira than him. So, it would have been nice to see Budo and Takira go head to head. Wouldn't that be something to look at? He has 3 lifelines. 1 is a rematch. 2 is a tag in with another opponent he doesn't know. And 3 would be to have a rematch with another one of his enemies that he didn't think he'd have. Okay, so here's his tail. And there he is. That is how you draw Angel Goku. All credit for this episode goes out to Unreal Gaming. And Goku, if you're fighting against the top 5 strongest, good luck.